So hi everyone, in this video we are going to learn about how to relink the Oracle database from binaries. So first of all, the first step we will do that copy location of the data files and control files, redo log files and password files. So what we will do, we will first find the location of the parameter control files, then just copy the location in the notepad. Okay, just store it there. Okay, so just mention control files and paste the locations, okay, one by one. So these are the location for the control files. Okay, now next what we will do, we will find the location of the sp file. Okay, so just copy this and paste it as well on the notepad. Okay, mention sp file and then copy. Okay, done. Then the next step would be select a file name from dba data files. Okay, then copy the location of the data files. Where are the data files located? Okay, data file, then paste. Okay, so this way we will going to copy all the file locations. Okay, then select from password files. Okay, we will see the password files. So this is not the view. Okay, so we will going to find the view using the table from all tab tables. Okay, then where table name, like it will find the table name with the pwd in between or wherever. Okay, so this is the view which will there is one view. Okay, so we will find that one. So this is the view password file underscore info. Okay, so using this view we will find the file name and location of the password file. Okay, so this is essential for the working of the file. So just select describe v dollar password file underscore info. Okay, so here just select the file name from the view, copy it, paste it. So this is our sp file location, this is our password file location. Okay, then copy it. So this is necessary before doing the relink of the database software. Okay, so just done. So these are the things we have copied till now. Okay, so next what we'll do, see, go and stay, take the detail of the oracle home, like size file counts. Okay, so go inside the oracle home. Okay, so this is the oracle home. Okay, take the size, this is 7.2 GB. Okay, approx 7.2 GB, right? So right, so now we will see that where is the location of the data files. Okay, find name dbf. So go inside Pune. Okay, here here is the location of the data files and already log files. Okay, so all files are there, right? So we have verified that all files are present inside this. Now go inside the oracle base. Okay, so take the size, we can see that 14 GB is overall size of the oracle base. Okay, now what we will do, we will copy the oracle home directory to the temp location. Okay, mention the -r flag so that all the files will be copied there, right? So this is essential. You can take the backup of the oracle home, then migrate, then shared it on the new server. Then on that new server we can copy the, we need to we should have to copy the same oracle home and oracle base location. Okay, so first what we will do, we will see in the video. So first of all, first to copy this oracle home and then see what will going to happen. Okay, so it will take some time. So relink of the database, relink of the oracle database binaries will work when you have to migrate the oracle database, okay, software from one server to the another server. Okay, or in case of OS upgrade has been done. So in such a way you can do. Even if you try to uh, run any Oracle database utility, for example Arman, SQL Plus, ADRCI, and at that point you are getting error like libraries are not present there, right? So in that case also you can relink the Oracle database binaries. Okay, so it will work then. So in a way it will work. So we will wait till this execution has been will complete. So first of all the copy will take time. So basically Oracle 19C and 21C. Okay, so the Oracle home will be approx of 7 to 8 GB, right? So at that when we copied this, we will see what will happen next. So one by one we will see each and every step, right? So the main important thing is here that the library should be present there, right? So you can see here we have successfully copied the Oracle base, the Oracle home. Now just see here, okay, git etc or tab file. You can see these are the entries. Okay, now see the Ora instant location. You can see inventory is also there. Okay, so just copy this Ora inventory, done. Now remove the original Oracle home base. Okay, so okay, so this has been done. Now go to this location. Okay, so first of all remove each and every directory. Okay, so we are just testing this. In real case, if anyone executed any command like remove and it got triggered on this Oracle base, okay, so in that case everything will be get dropped, okay, instantly from the server, right? And you won't find anything. So we are just mimicking that situation. Okay, so we are doing a dropping of all the files. Okay, so every file, all the files has been dropped. Now remove the final diagnostic. Okay, done. Now grep commands. Okay, so just kill the Oracle database which is running in the background using the PID 5264. Just killed. Okay, so we have killed the Oracle database which was running on the background. Now everything is deleted. Now we will relink the Oracle home. But first of all, what we will do, we will also delete the etc Aura tab and Aura instant location file. Okay, just say remove -f. It won't ask for permission, right? So everything has been deleted, right? So still it is connecting, right? Still it is connecting. Now what we will do, we will copy this Oracle home. Okay, and copy it to the u01 directory. Okay, because u01 directory has a sufficient space. You can see 29 GB is there, whereas the temp location is having a less available space. Okay, so we will copy the Oracle home to the u01 directory. Okay, and then what we will do, we will see here. So wait for this. So we will wait till this copying operation will end. Okay, it will take another some minutes or more. So once this is done, we will see what will we will see the next step. So now the copy operation has been done, right? So let's see the next step. So remove the entire file. Okay, remove all the files and directory from the U02 mount point. Okay, so now cat the bash profile. Okay, so you can see bash profile is there, right? So inside the U01 directory mount point, we will see where is our db home. Okay, so now copy the db home on U02 again, since we have deleted all the file from U02. Okay, so everything will be fine there, right? So it is entirely empty, U02 mount point. Now we will see. So guys, this way we will going to relink we can relink the Oracle database home. Okay, so it is all depends upon the binaries. Okay, so first of all, make sure that you are having the libraries installed on your system. Okay, before relinking the Oracle database. Now you can see we have done this, right? So this is our Oracle home, okay, which we had copied recently. Okay, so this is the binary inside this. Okay, so you can see that relink file is inside the binary. Okay, ls lrt relink, you can see this is the relink file. Okay, so you can see here Oracle home is not a directory, right? Oracle home is not directory. So what we will need to do, we will have to create the Oracle home directories structure as well as Oracle based directory structure. So for this we will execute this command. Okay, since in the bash profile there is already mention this alias, right? So we don't need to create them separately. So this has been done. Now move the DB home to the Oracle home, right? Now go to the Oracle home. Now you can see DB home. So this is our Oracle home, right? So what we will do, we will change this DB home to DB home and go inside, bring this, move this to the original location, okay? And then remove the DB home, right? Okay, so this has been done. Now we can go inside the relink, okay? Now the relinking has been started, right? So you can see the logs inside this log file, okay? Now step number 5 is finally relink all the Oracle database binaries, okay? So again we will create a new session. Inside that we will see the logs files, okay, using the tail command, okay? So you can see this way it is working, right, in the log files, okay? This way it is linking each and every directory, okay? So guys, this way we can relink the Oracle database if you want to relink it on the new server, and after then you can reinstall the database, okay? With the database it will automatically create a listener, okay? So then it is good. If you are in backup or anything else, so you can use the backup to recover it as well. So guys, this way it is progressing, right? So this is how relink of the Oracle database can go away, right? So you can see it is progressing in this way. So step by step it will work. So if you got any issue on anything, right, so you can ask to me, or you can search the way for that, right? So there may be some issue like binaries are libraries are not installed, so you can install the libraries as well. If anything further occurs, you can install the Oracle instant client, okay? For example, for Oracle database 21c, you can install the Oracle client instant client 19c or 21c. It is depends upon you yourself. So it will work then, right? So but now it is linking each and everything, right? So it will work in this way. Now I think so it is done, right? So info and output for the spawn process, everything has been done, right? So you can see here CRS home and everything is it is done. Now you can see that it has been done, right? Now you can simply execute anything what you want, SQL plus RMon or anything else. So first of all we will try to get inside the SQL plus. Now you can see it is accessing, right? Okay,